Meaning of evacuate.
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 Evacuate. Evacuate means to remove people or animals from a dangerous or hazardous place to a safer location. The result of an evacuation is that individuals are no longer at risk and can seek safety away from the affected area. Evacuations are usually implemented during natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, or wildfires, as well as during human-made emergencies like gas leaks or terrorist attacks. A successful evacuation can mean the difference between life and death, as it allows people to avoid harm and access medical aid, food, and shelter.